So what to do if you're not getting notifications or you're not getting call rings, right? First step, you can check the diagnostics here, right? So you click on diagnostics, you can start test, you can test everything, right? But even though you have done it, there are certain optimizations that we recommend, right? So different devices, there might be different ways to handle it, but in general, there are two or three things that you need to take care of, right? In iPhone, you don't have to do it. Only in Android, this is necessary, right? So now go to settings, right? And in settings, you can go to apps. In apps, you can select Popin seller. And here there are two, three things you'll have to note, right? First, you check on notifications. If all notifications are enabled, right? So in different phones, this is handled differently. In your lock screen, is the notification enabled? Have you given it priority and so on? First step is that. Second are permissions, which we take in the starting and we recommend giving it before. But in permissions, there is one very important step. You can see here, pause app activity if unused. In most Android apps, this is the term that they used. In some, it will be slightly different, but usually it will be switched on by default. Make sure that it is switched off, right? So that in case you don't get a call for a day, so the next day it doesn't block or remove your permissions, right? So that is important thing in permissions. The third thing is in battery usage, right? Make sure that background usage is allowed, right? And if you can see, there is a manage app if unused. Yeah, switch it off. You can allow picture in picture in case that is available, right? And in battery usage, in some apps, you'll be able to see a optimization option, right? So in some apps, it will be the option would be there whether you want to give unrestricted battery usage or you want to optimize your battery usage. Make sure that it is unrestricted, because if it is optimized, sometimes when your battery is low, the device may restrict the notifications. So these are some simple steps. In case you still face issues, you can always reach out to the support team.